Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me here on my YouTube channel. I'm Jackie Alves, and today I am really looking forward to showing you some of my favorite tips of how to actually get something amazing done under your eyes without a bunch of cracking and caking. Right now I'm using the Jafra Beauty Matte Foundation. It's a really beautiful kind of a velvety finish, great texture to it. Don't be fooled by the word matte. It's not like overly dull. You know, it doesn't really matte you down completely. I really feel like my skin looks like velvet when I use this. Right now I'm using two shades because I feel like one is a little too light and one is a little too dark for under my eyes. The deeper one is for my whole face. The lighter one is to brighten it up. And now I'm also going to combine that with an eye cream that I'm putting on the back of my hand right now. So you can see all three of those products there. This is the eye cream from the Jafra Royal Defy collection. And it's a pretty good amount of silicone in there. So these go well together. The foundation is a silicone-based foundation, and then the eye cream is as well. So they can hang out and be besties. They play well together. Right now I'm just using my ring finger to put a little bit of that eye cream right under my eye, smooth it really gently. Just using my ring finger will ensure that it's nice and easy. I'm not pulling and yanking on that delicate area under my eyes. Just smoothing it under there. I've already got eye cream on for the day anyway, but honestly, I sometimes will reapply halfway through the day. I live in the desert. I feel dry most of the time, so any extra moisture I can get, I'm happy about it. Now I've got both of those shades of foundation there. One is called Natural and one is called Alabaster. I like mixing them so I can get a lighter shade. Obviously, I want to brighten under my eyes. So, that's the reason for the lighter shade. Using a fluffy brush, gently, I'm just kind of popping a little bit under there. Not a big fat globber, not a big triangle stripe or anything. Just gently patting some product under there, and now kind of buffing my brush off with the back of my hand because I don't want too much product. So now just buffing, patting a little bit, trying not to pull really hard on that delicate skin. Just really buff it around, and you can see how it's light and bright. It's lighter than my foundation, but not white. I don't want a gray under my eyes or just be that weird bright white highlighter look. Just about 1 to 2 shades lighter than my foundation. Now, I really love the way that this looks under my eyes because, again, it's got that velvety finish to it. It doesn't have that dry, cracky concealer kind of consistency that we've all gotten used to. So I want you to understand, you don't have to be trapped into using concealer under your eyes, okay? Because if you've got a good medium to full coverage foundation, it's gonna do the job. And then maybe it won't be as drying. So that's why I really love this foundation under my eyes rather than a full coverage concealer. Now I do use concealer sometimes, but this is really my preference, you guys. I love this formula. It doesn't crease and crack, and it feels great. Now, you can see here that I am going to use powder, but it's a really different type of powder. It's called the Royal Translucent Powder by Jafra, of course. And I'm just using a little bit. I mean, you saw how violent I was there, shaking that thing off. So I don't want to put too much on. Just really gently kind of setting it and buffing it. That's all. Really beautiful finish to it. I'm not going to have to worry about caking and cracking under my eyes, but still have that beautiful finished look of concealer. Of course, I got to show off my hair a little bit because I just got it done today. Love it. Looks so good. Thanks for joining me, guys.